everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to create this makeup look. This is a soft glam makeup look. It's like a glowing makeup look and you can do it very easily. तो मैं आज आपको इसका पूरा प्रोसेस दिखाऊंगी कि इसको कैसे करते हैं. So yeah, without any further ado, let's quickly get into the video. I start my makeup by applying aloe vera gel. I use Mama's aloe vera gel. Highlighter and my foundation and mixing both of them to achieve glowy base. I have used Swiss Beauty's liquid highlighter and Maybelline's foundation in the shade Warm Nude. Then I took my concealer, this one is from Maybelline, and applied it under my eyes and around my mouth area. Now here I will set my under eye area by using compact powder. This one is from Cuffs and Lashes in the shade 03. For eyeshadow, I am using Wet n Wild's eyeshadow palette and this blending brush. I will take brown shade and a nude shade, and from a brown shade I will create my crease. While creating your crease, you have to make a V in the outer area, like this. And from the palette, I am taking this pink shade and dusting the rest of the product and applying it on the outer side of my eyes. Then I took this copper shade and applied it in the inner sides of my eyes. Then I took this highlighting shade from the palette and applied it in the inner corner of my eyes and underneath of my eyebrows. I'm cleaning the rest of the product by using a Q-tip. And here I'm applying concealer with the beauty blender to get the clean eyeshadow look. Using kajal pencil to tighten my eyelids. Here I am using Plum's kajal pencil. Blush, I'm using Stay Quirky blush in the shade Coral King. lips by using Momo's lip balm. For lipstick, I'm using Maybelline's Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Nude Neons. Lip lining my outer lips with lip pencil. For highlighter, I'm using same Swiss Beauty's liquid highlighter, and then I will highlight all high points of my face. You have to take very little amount of product because it is very pigmented. Then I curled my lashes. This step is completely optional, guys. For mascara, I'm using Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara. Lastly, I will set my makeup by using a makeup fixing spray. This one is NYB Dewy makeup fixing spray. Step to apply bindi. So now we are done with the makeup. मैं आपको फटाफट से अपना ज्वेलरी और हेयर करने के बाद आपको फाइनल लुक दिखाती हूँ. सो या दिस इज़ द फाइनल लुक. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, इस वीडियो को लाइक करें और हाँ शेयर करें अपने फ्रेंड्स फैमिली के साथ. And yeah, I will meet you soon in my next video. And then bye.